guys, this is our trip upon arrival of Kokatu Island. This is their wharf here in Kokatu. We are 40 minutes travels bago makarating dito guys. Ayan, maganda pa rin talaga yung kanilang wharf guys. Ayan, dahan-dahan na siyang tumabi dito sa wharf mismo. Ayan. Enjoy watching guys, at sana hindi kayo magsawa at magustuhan yung aking video. Thank you guys for watching and supporting my videos. Nila Jong Profile.